Hari Om. Imagine you are driving a car, a very fast moving car. The only thing is it has no brake and it has no steering wheel. Where will you reach? Anybody's guess. Such a fast vehicle we all have, and that's called our mind. Particularly in young age, in that youth, this vehicle goes very fast. And this movement gives a false idea of progress. But where are we going? What is required is a vision, a direction, and also control, Sanyam, what you call as break. All this can be gained at one place, and that is Srimad Bhagavad Gita. We must learn it from a great, noble, competent guru and learn our destination, the direction, and how to control our senses and our mind. I am extremely glad to know that Chinmay Yuva Kendra has organized a youth convention on this particular topic. And this is being done on the occasion of the celebration of the National Youth Day, which is celebrated in honor of one of the greatest saints of India, and that is Swami Vivekananda ji. My reverential prostrations to him. In this convention, you will learn a lot. I remember the famous statement of Swami Vivekananda ji, "Arise, awake, stop not till the goal is reached." The same is very beautifully confirmed and emphasized by our Puja Gurudev, Swami Chinmayananda ji, and he said, "This we can, we must." I have every hope and confidence that after attending this convention, you will say, "We can, we must, and we will." Also, I remember a very beautiful mantra, a Vedic mantra. It says, "Aste bhaga asinasya." A person who keeps sitting, his fortune also keeps sitting. And shete nipatyamanasya. And if the person is sleeping, his fortune also sleeps. Urdhvas tishtati tishtataha. But when he stands up, his fortune, his luck also stands up. And charati charato bhagaha. And the one who keeps moving, then his fortune also keeps moving. So therefore, charaivaiti, keep moving, but only know the direction, the destination, and have the break, sanyam, and reach the destination in which lies the welfare and well-being of all, one and all. I wish the convention a great success in every respect. Thank you. Hari Om. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om.